Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the good ending in Metro Exodus. To achieve this, you'll need to ensure at least two of Artyom's three main companions survive the journey. This involves making moral choices throughout the game, primarily by using non-lethal force and completing specific objectives. You'll often see a subtle blue light flash on screen when you make a positive moral decision, guiding you towards the best outcome. In the Volga chapter, your actions directly impact Duke's fate. It's crucial to avoid killing the cultists, especially during the church escape and the tugboat infiltration. Stealth and non-lethal takedowns are key. Additionally, free any prisoners you find in bandit camps. Completing side quests like finding Nastia's teddy bear and Damir's guitar also contributes positively to your moral standing. Moving to the Caspian, your choices here determine Damir's loyalty. When confronting Saul, choose to knock him out rather than kill him. It's also vital to free the slaves you encounter, particularly those in the derelict ship. A significant moral point is earned by finding Gilles' mother's photograph in the communications center and returning it to her, solidifying Damir's trust. Finally, in the Taiga, Alyosha's fate rests on your actions. You must avoid killing the children of the forest, both pioneers and pirates. Stealth is paramount here. Across all chapters, never kill enemies who surrender. Always opt for a non-lethal knockout. By consistently making these moral choices and ensuring at least two of your companions survive, Artyom will achieve the good ending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.